I'm working on a slide out tub for one of the trucks that we're making. I'm gonna put my big pipe clamp on there and square both sides and make sure it's square when I put it together. This piece will actually like flare like out. So when we're going to put the top skin on, then I have to do more work. So it's better to do it here than do it later. On these pieces, I go back and forth. Like I weld one side, just to distribute the heat so it's not all in one place. I'll let this piece cool and then I'll start putting the whole frame together. So I'll tack this first end first, and then I'll tack the other end. This is just to get the frame part of it started. This is the part of it that's not in the manuscript to tell you how to build it. You actually have to do it on your own. Try to be creative, find ways to build it, try to save time. Everybody builds different. I'm a more feel touch kind of guy. I don't use a lot of tools. I try to do it the smartest and easiest way. We still have a bunch more things to put on. We have a whole side put here, we got a side to put there. We have a front header we got to put here. So I cut these, put a piece on here, weld it, grind it, finish it, make it look like one piece, put a bevel on it. I'm gonna make some side braces. I'm gonna make those go in the middle. Gotta do some numbers. I have to notch out this whole side so our piece can go through when we go ahead and put our header cap on. We'll go over to the shear and the press and do some magic.